Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best car interior cleaners in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car interior cleaners that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Armor All Freshening Cleaning Wipes. Even though this is a clear contender for the Best Value Award, I opted instead to crown the Armor All Wipes with the title of being the most convenient car interior cleaner. I've long been a fan of Armor All and have always kept a container of these wipes in my car. They do a decent job at cleaning, leave no residue behind, stash away easily, and pulling them from the tube is a breeze. For dealing with a mess on the fly, I've always felt that Armor All Wipes can't be beaten. So I was excited to discover that even after our test, that reputation is intact. It also doesn't leave surfaces feeling slick or tacky. Seeing as they're also the most affordable product we've tested, you'll never wince at having to replace them. Moving on at number 4, we have the Turtle Wax Mist Interior Detailer. This is the newest product on this list. No doubt it did a great job at cleaning. It's compatible with virtually any interior surface, and the finish left behind is just right. However, what puts this product in a league of its own is the unique Flaresol spray bottle. Flaresol isn't exactly new technology, but it's odd we don't see it more often in this product category. It's ideal for cleaners because it really does provide a level of control over distribution that makes a significant difference in cleaning throughout the vehicle. The Turtle Wax's dust repellent properties aren't the best. While all products performed decently, this landed on the lower end of the spectrum in that test. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Meguiar's almost took the top spot on our list. It smells great, it cleans well, it's priced just right, and it offers UV protection. Something that helps it stand out among the others is that you can buff it with a cotton cloth for a higher shine, or microfiber for more of a matte finish. That level of flexibility helps this product capture more people's attention than many of the others. I should also note that buffing it with the microfiber towel produced a very similar sheen to our list's premier product. There was a noticeable difference, and it truly does offer that classy, contemporary matte finish everyone loves these days. This product ultimately left the thickest finish and was far easier to see and feel than the competition. By no means is it greasy, but it is noticeably slick. It didn't rank among the best with repelling dust, though. You may find yourself giving your dash a dry wipe down more often than with some of these other products. At number 2, we have the 303 Interior Cleaner. Car interior cleaning doesn't have to be expensive. While the 303 Interior Cleaner is tough on ground and stains, it's light on surfaces for a smooth finish. For anyone who wants a solid interior clean on a budget, check out the 303 Total Interior Cleaner. It packs a bang for your buck that most competitors can't match. We gave the 303 Interior Cleaner 4.9 out of 5.0 stars. Its dust-eliminating capabilities and streak-free shine are great for the bargain price. Application: we found 303 spray to have a wide reach. Only a few sprays were required to cover an entire door interior. It spread just as easily as expected due to its liquid texture. Scent: while most interior cleaning products have some sort of smell, the 303 amazingly didn't. We were unable to pick up a new scent after application. Dust and stain removal: 303 was tough on stains and cut through grime without any trouble. It also left a gleaming shine as a protective dust barrier. UV protection: although it's great at eliminating dirt and grime, 303 does not offer a strong UV barrier. Around 78% of these customers give the 303 interior cleaner 5.0 star reviews, with positive comments praising how well the cleaner works on difficult upholstery stains. Some negative reviews center around residue that 303 left behind on their dashboards after cleaning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. We picked Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant for our best overall pick because of its toughness on grime with an added layer of lasting protection. Its formula packs a punch against stubborn stains without damaging your car's interior. In addition to its power, this cleaner leaves your car smelling fantastic. Our review team found this all-purpose cleaner to be highly effective on stains without damaging the interior of our test car, and it left a noticeable gleam with an inviting fruity aroma. We gave the Chemical Guys Total Cleaner and Protectant 4.9 out of 5.0 stars. We recommend the Total Cleaner for anyone who wants to give their car upholstery a spick and span clean. Application: Chemical Guys isn't kidding with the title Total Cleaner. We were able to spray this on nearly all interior surfaces without damaging them. The formula's watery texture caused it to drip more than expected, so users should be wary of overspraying. Scent: we liked the Total Cleaner's flowery aroma, which lingered long after we finished cleaning. It had no hint of any chemical smells. Dust and stain removal: no remnants of dust remained after a once-over with the Total Cleaner and a microfiber towel. Stains took little effort to tackle, too. UV protection: the Total Cleaner's streak-free finish left a nice UV protection layer over all clean sections of the car.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.